Hi, I'm Scott Campbell. Welcome to my window painting tutorials.
Lesson number 18, Cartoon Money. I'm in Salem at Santiam Bicycle. It's the second of two stores that I paint, and it's really cool. They have this overhang, and I don't have to climb on the ladder. Makes it really nice. Anyway, I'm going to do some cartoon money today, and I'm mixing this up. I'm using my regular green, and then I added some lime green to lighten it up a little. And then also I add a little white so it'll cover better. It makes it not quite as saturated, tones down the brightness a little bit, but not much. And it, like I said, it covers in two coats. I don't have to put a white behind it either. And make sure you mush it out here too, get some of this paint out of it, because if you don't, sucker will never dry. So anyway, just go right in. I don't have a white background or nothing. Just start painting in the money. This is all, excuse me, still getting over a cold. This is all painted in real time. And you can see how fast it is. It's pretty simple, it's pretty fast. And I've already got the hand that the money's going in. The base coat, the first base coat of that. So you just whip it out. It's still pretty bright too. It's still pretty bright green. And here I'm doing, I'm going to do a dollar over here on the side that's kind of fluttering. So it's going to have a couple parts. Paint the top part and then the bottom part. And that's what it looks like with one coat. So while the green's drying, I do all this other stuff. And laid out the character and put in some blends and things. Go around the whole store doing that, doing some other lettering. Then I go back to the green and it's dry. And then now I can do the second coat. So while the second coat's drying, I go out and I do some more lettering and wait for that done. So here I have the second coat dry, and I've got my brush. I should back this up, and you can back it up to see the picture of the brush if you want. But all you have to know is this is the Trek 230 series brush, and on the outside here part I use the half-inch brush. And this first part is going to all be done in real time too, so you can see. And then I take my next brush, which is the 1/4 inch brush, U-Trek, and then I go and paint these little details in. And the thing about money, cartoon money, is it doesn't matter. You can make up your own pattern, your own design too. It doesn't really, because from a distance, it just, people driving by in a car, it looks like money. You know, just as long as you put a dollar sign in the middle, usually. So this is how I make my cartoon money, and a lot of the stuff I do is built up from years and years of trying different things and trying different methods and stuff. And then here I paint a pyramid, and I know the pyramid's got like an eye with it and stuff, but I just paint the pyramid because money's got a pyramid on it. Then I do kind of a circle with a couple of little lines through it and a squiggle like a signature and some lines over here. And then I do like a little dollar, like a $1 bill. But the thing that really identifies, that people identify with and they see it, is they, oh, now I'm going back in with the larger brush. This is the 1/2 inch. And I just do a quick dollar sign. It's pretty easy. And I use money a lot, like if I'm, like sometimes I'll have the sun going like this, summer sale, holding money, or guy could be surfing, or you know, a snowman, I could say, save some cold hard cash. I use that one a lot, and different things. Okay. So now here you can also go in with the white and do some kind of lines, motion lines. You just kind of, so it looks like the money's flying around in the air and gives it more fluidity. So on these other parts here, I just pretty much sped it up, and again, you just kind of make up whatever. It's like, I don't know exactly how it's supposed to look when the money's all crunched in the hand. I just draw everything, this and that, however. And you'll see when it's done. I mean, it's basically, it's fine. It's cartoon money. It's not real money. Then this one, you just kind of do a little S thing there. And then this is your cartoon money that's fluttering through the air. Well, I'm finished at Sandy Am Bicycle in Salem, and I'll get a few shots of the window, and I'm heading back to Portland. Talk to you later. Bye.